Good day, everyone. We are one of the groups from Section D, IT 68. And for today's video vlog, we are going to present a simple video tutorial on how to connect CMD to server, on how to create database and database tables with primary and foreign keys, and also on how to alter use command to change data types and data name, to drop and to add column. First is we are going to start the SAMP and start the Apache and MySQL. Then next is we are going to press the Windows button plus R. Then type the CMD and enter. Then after that, we are going to type this letter, CD space C and colon slash SAMP slash MySQL slash bin slash and hit enter. Then the next thing we're gonna do is type MySQL -u and root and -p and enter. Next is we are going to show the databases. And next is we are going to create the database. We just need to type the create a database name of the database, which is section D, and semicolon enter. And again, we are gonna show the databases so that we can see the section D database that we created already. And the next is we are going to use the database that we created.
And now we are going to create a table named students, open parenthesis, and the student ID and its data type, which is integers plus the number and then not null, then comma and the student name data type plus the number and not null, and the last is the student subject plus data type and the number, and our primary key is the student ID and close parenthesis, semicolon and enter. And the next is we are going to describe that table. As we can see here, this is the table that we created.
And next is we're going to create another table named subjects, and we're gonna put the subject code, the data type and number, and next is the subject name and data type. Again, and last is the student ID, which we are going to use as a foreign key, and our primary key on this table is the subject code, and type the foreign key, which is the student ID, and the references, which is the first table student, close parenthesis, semicolon and enter. Next is we are gonna describe it. So as we can see here, the subject table is there.
Next thing we are going to do is to do alter data type. First is we are gonna type alter table subjects, modify column and the data name, which is the subject name from varchar to character, semicolon and enter. And now we will describe it to see if it really have changed. So yeah, it changed.
Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna change the subject name into a subject. So we're gonna type alter table subjects plus change and the current name of the subject, which is the subject name, into a subject. So subject and its data type, yeah, and the number semicolon, enter. And now we're going to see if it is really having changed. So subject, so as you can see here, the subject name has been changed into a subject. So next is we can alter a table again, and we're gonna add a column which is subject schedule. So type alter table subjects, add subject schedule, its data type and the data number, and semicolon, and enter. So we're gonna describe it if it's really having there. So yeah, subject schedule is there. And next is we're gonna alter the table again, and we're gonna drop that table which is the subject schedule. So we're just gonna type alter table subjects, drop subject schedule, and enter. We're gonna describe if it's still there. So yeah, it's not. And that's it. That's how you do it.